Hello everyone, this is Asim from Trade with Asim and Sajad, and today I am here with daily analysis of DXY, dollar index, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Canadian dollar and gold. Starting from our own website, Trade with Asim and Sajad, looking into the economic calendar with really important events that are going to cause very high volatility for the euro and dollar. Tomorrow we are expecting on 16 we are expecting that ECB presidents will speak. There is a CPI for the April in the Eurozone, and building permits will be released by the US, and crude oil inventories are there. So really important news for GBP USD, Euro USD and Canadian dollar. So now starting from gold index as from dollar index, as it's a very strong bullish candle has been formed today, and yesterday we were expecting that the candle will be closing, or the Monday candle will be closing red, but unfortunately due to some news and uncertainty in the market caused the dollar index to go high, and on 15 May the dollar index went very high due to some news coming out from the US. Now looking into the daily data for the dollar index, I'm looking at a very short retracement up to 93 points, and then I'm looking further on to 93.50 or above for 16th May 2018. Moving on to Euro USD, as the important news is coming tomorrow, so we might see a very good retracement, and it might go above the pivot, which would be touching about 1.900 or above due to the news and the high volatility in the market. So it's a very different situation at the moment, and very difficult, as in the news it's a very high volatile situation, and the pair can move in any direction at a time, which happened on 15th of May as well. So currently the trend is a bullish trend, bearish trend, and it's trying to break the support at 1.183, but the news may cause it and change the position of the Euro USD. So be careful with your trades, as 16th May is a really tricky day, and we hope that all of you guys can recover your any of your losses that you have made today, as today the market was really volatile as well, and it did not went as it was analyzed. Moving on further into GBP USD, it's a downtrend overall, and I would expect that the downtrend will continue further for the day, and if it will try to breach the level of 1.347, I would expect it to continue at the weekly support level, which is at 1.338, as currently it's also at a very key support at 1.346. So we are looking into it, and and we are closely watching the the GBP USD, as from last 2 weeks it's continuously sideways market. So let's see, and we hope that we are going to close the GBP USD in the bullish way, and the trend will start to be bullish once again. But currently we are in the bearish situation, and I would ask you to be cautious for GBP USD, those people who are buying GBP USD. Moving on to Canadian dollar, USD Canadian dollar, it went really high due to some news in the market and political situation. It tried to break the resistance at 1.29, but there was a false breakup, and then it did some retracement towards downward direction. Overall, it's a bullish momentum, and I would expect, if if the oil inventories are down and the oil went higher, I would expect that a bearish candle for 16th of May 2018. So moving on to gold, it's a very tricky situation at the moment, as it's trying to approach it's one of the strongest support, which is at 1284. 1284.933. Breaching upon this support, the next target would be a weekly target, which would be currently, sorry, it's a weekly chart. The weekly target would be 1.84. Drop down below this one, I'm expecting and speculating that the next target would be 1250, which is this level. So if it drops from this level, as you can see, it previously dropped from level of 1290. If it goes below 1290 and drops below and reaches the level of 1248, then I'm afraid the next level is 1245 or 1250. So that's all for the gold. I would like you to be really cautious about the gold, as it might do a little retracement, but overall the trend is a strong bearish trend, and I would expect that it might hit again once again 1350. That's all from Trade with Asim and Sajjad. If you like our daily analysis, give us a thumbs up, give us a comments in the comment section so that we can improve our daily analysis, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great trading.